Hi everyone! Today is my birthday. So after church visit, I light candle as what our parents said that during our birthday, we have to light candle for thanksgiving to the Lord for the long life, good health, healthy body, happy family always, protection, wisdom, and abundant blessings to come. Only God knows and give us all what we want in our life. So this is it. I light candle on my birthday. Thank you, Lord, for giving me another year to come. Good health, healthy body, and long life and happy family always. So after lighting candle, this is it. I want to feed the doves outside the church. Just look and see. So here's maraming dove dito sa church, sa Cathedral Church. So all you have to do is to feed them at lalapit sila sa inyo. Yan. I am now feeding them. At look at the baby. He is also enjoying like me. Yan na. Marami ng dove ang lumapit sa akin. You can buy the foods of the dove at 10 pesos only per pack. Diyan lang sa gilid. May nag-ano dyan, nagbinta ng mga food ng doves for feeding. I really enjoy feeding doves. Maraming doves dito sa cathedral, especially in the morning. Yan, oh, look at my hands.
Adol diri das.
Yan na. Once you give them food, maglapit sila talaga sa iyo ang mga doves.
Abri ni mais.
Yan, pag maglagyan mo yung hands mo ng food, maglapit sila sa kamay mo, oh, tingnan mo. Thank you, Lord, for another year. I wish always good health, long life, healthy body, abundant blessings to come, and happy family always, Lord. Thank you very much, Lord, for the wisdom, protection, and everything you give to us in our Lagbas family and LaGuardia family. Yan. Nakapatong pa yung isang dab sa akin. Napakasarap. You are surrounded with doves in your birthday. This is my first time experience during my birthday.
Okay.
Yan. The kiddos also enjoyed.
Okay, 1, 2, Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Madulong to you, ha?
Happy birthday.
To Rodrigo.
Happy birthday.
Okay na, happy birthday to you, ha? Happy birthday to you, ha? 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.